Yung guys, panibagong collection na naman guys, Hot Wheels. Itong nahanap ko guys, 2018 Honda Civic Type R. Ang cute nito guys, ganda Tapos ito guys, I got custom Kia. Ito, ganda rin to guys. Yun. Tsaka ito guys, 60th Dodge Dark. Ang ganda nitong kulay nito guys. Compact Kings. And this one guys, got Audi 94. Yun guys, itong pinakagusto ko guys, ang cute nitong Kia na to, custom. Ito bago lang to, 2025 guys. Ganito guys, ito cute din nito guys, 2018. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Shout out sa inyong lahat dyan.